Good afternoon. We're glad to welcome everyone to the Heartland Chapel dedication.
It is a really special place. You are surrounded by so many special pieces that you may not even be aware of. For example, the altar behind me, the stone and the granite that makes up this altar were from the Alfred P. Murrah building. Right here at this corner, there's an image of Jesus with children. And it was a donation to us for the Heartland Chapel to remember the 19 children who died that day. The wooden benches that you sit on were carved by local artisans and given to us. The pieces of wood that marking right there with some words of hope that when we look up to the hills, we know where our help comes from.
Every day, the Heartland Chapel and the Oklahoma City National Memorial Museum are fulfilling the concept of Tikkun Olam by providing a safe space for prayer and for reflection, and by teaching everyone who comes to these sacred grounds what happened here and to remember.
We gathered here in gratitude to rededicate this sacred space, a home for reflection, prayers, and understanding. May all who enter find comfort, regardless of their faith or tradition. May this chapel be a shelter for the weary, a sanctuary for the seeking, and a meeting ground for hearts open to one another.
It showed solidarity and it put the unity in community. It brought people together, different faiths. First Church had lost so much that day, April 1995, just like so many of us did, but they did not lose their hope. And when others answered the call to help, people of different faith stepped up, helped rebuild the church, and again, helped rebuild this beautiful chapel. Thanks to the Jewish Federation of Oklahoma City, Jewish Federation of America, the Islamic Society of Greater Oklahoma City, and the Islamic Society of America, who helped build this beautiful chapel along with First Church. It's another example of out of a day of darkness, we celebrate years of life.